What if I told you that, right now or very soon, all the planets in our solar system will line up in a rare formation? What if that alignment isn't just a beautiful sky show, but could influence Earth's inner workings? Could this rare geometrical setup be why Earth is shaking? Why might earthquakes, geological stress, and seismic unrest coincide? In this video, we dive into a controversial but often discussed idea: planetary alignments as energetic geophysical triggers on Earth. We'll examine recent real alignments, what science says, what speculative hypotheses claim, and why you should or shouldn't worry. Let's start with what's real and observable. According to modern sky-watching announcements, on the 28th of February 2025, a rare planetary parade occurred in which 7 planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune appeared aligned from our vantage point. Earlier, on the 21st of January 2025, 6 planets Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Venus, and Saturn were visible together in the sky. Additionally, it's common knowledge among astronomers that the planets orbit the Sun roughly along the same plane, known as the ecliptic. That means alignments or planetary parades are not magical exceptions, but simply a matter of orbital geometry and timing. Still, a configuration where 6 or 7 planets appear roughly along a line or arc is considered rare and special by stargazers and astronomy watchers. So yes, such planetary formations are real, documented, and celebrated by astronomers. But astronomically speaking, alignment usually means the planets appear on roughly the same side of the Sun or along the ecliptic as seen from Earth. It does not mean the planets are physically close to each other in space; they remain millions of kilometers apart. This is where things get controversial yet compelling for many. Some researchers over the years have hypothesized that when multiple planets align, their combined gravitational or perhaps magnetic influences might slightly alter stresses on Earth, potentially influencing tectonic plates, triggering earthquakes, or modulating Earth's geophysical energy. For example, a paper titled "Astronomical Alignments as the Cause of M6 Plus Seismicity" argues that many strong M6 or higher earthquakes in 2010 occurred during long alignments of Earth with other solar system bodies. Another recent preprint, Planet Earth's Position in the Solar System Affects Strong and Rare Earthquake Events, Indonesia Case Studies 2025, explores possible correlations between planetary positions and large magnitude earthquakes in certain regions. Proponents claim that although the gravitational pull from distant planets is tiny compared to the Sun or Moon, the geometry, relative alignment, and resonance effects might amplify subtle triggers inside Earth's crust. In theory, when many bodies align, their slight combined tidal or gravitational forces could perturb Earth's crust, possibly enough to trigger earthquakes, especially if tectonic plates are already under stress. So, could this new rare alignment 2025's planetary parade coincide with increased seismicity? Could Earth shaking indeed relate to planetary geometry? Here's what's important. While the alignment trigger theory gets interest, mainstream geophysics is largely skeptical. According to the United States Geological Survey (USGS), large-scale statistical studies show no significant correlation between the positions of planets other than the Sun and Moon and global earthquake frequency. A comprehensive 1977 analysis by scientific journal researchers concluded that planetary alignments are unlikely to exert enough gravitational force to noticeably influence tectonic stresses. More recent work highlights that while the Sun and Moon, because of their closeness, can influence tidal forces, which in turn slightly modulate stress, the vastly smaller gravitational influence of other planets, given their distance, is orders of magnitude too small to reliably trigger earthquakes. In short, the consensus among seismologists and astrophysicists is that although the idea is intriguing, there is no robust, reproducible scientific evidence that planetary alignments cause earthquakes or volcanic eruptions with any reliability. Furthermore, theoretical calculations show that tidal or gravitational effects from even a 7-planet alignment are minuscule compared to everyday geological stress forces inside Earth. Given the lack of strong scientific evidence, why do many people, including researchers and spiritual or consciousness-focused circles, still resonate with this idea? There are a few reasons. 1. Coincidence plus confirmation bias. Earthquakes happen regularly somewhere on the planet. If an earthquake occurs near the time of a planetary alignment, it gets noticed and shared. When nothing happens, nobody writes about it. 2. Resonance and subtle energy theories. Some non-mainstream theories describe Earth as a dynamic resonance system where gravitational, magnetic, and energetic inputs from cosmic geometry can modulate Earth's energy field. For believers, alignment equals energy surge. 3. Emotional and psychological impact. Rare sky events, planetary parades, eclipses, comets evoke strong feelings. Humans naturally connect dramatic cosmic events with changes on Earth psychologically, spiritually, or existentially. 4. Lack of disproof in specific cases. While global statistical studies show no correlation, there is no ironclad proof that no individual earthquake was ever influenced by cosmic geometry under very particular conditions. That ambiguity keeps speculation alive. So, what was the 2025 event like, and how powerful was it astronomically? On the 21st of January 2025, 6 planets Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Venus, and Saturn were visible roughly along the ecliptic. On the 28th of February 2025, an even larger planetary parade featuring 7 planets, including Mercury, became visible.